Hi there, ready to see the future of green power? Come with me and let's dive into the new energy lifestyle with CBAK Energy. When it comes to electric 2- and 3-wheelers, it always comes down to two things. How far can it go and how much power does it have? That's exactly why we built the latest 60-150 cell. It packs a 58 Ah capacity, so you can finally say goodbye to short range and a weak performance. Plus, if you are operating in tough environments, our 32-150 and 40-135 cells are already proven top performers in Southeast Asia, South Asia, and Africa. They bring you high rate discharge, a super long circle life, rock solid safety, and they run perfectly no matter how extreme the weather gets. Working outdoors and worried about bulky, long capacity power station dragging you down. That's exactly why we built the 60 and 150 cell by combining a 176 watt-hour per kilo energy density with a 910 gram ultralight design. We are making portable power stations much lighter to carry and much faster to charge. Also, a quick shout out to our head energy 26-700 FB4 plus our full tap 32-150 and 40-135 cell. These are already the top choices across European and North American portable energy markets. When it comes to home backup power, you really only care about two things: surviving blackouts and dodging those crazy peak electricity rates. That means your home battery needs to be highly efficient and incredibly tough. Enter the CBAK Energy's 26-700 and 40-135 cells. Their massive circle life guarantees years of reliable green energy. Plus, they handle extreme temperatures with zero stress, keeping your home powered and your family safe, no matter what happens outside. For broader applications like AGVs, industrial vehicles, passenger cars, and lighting systems, one size definitely does not fit all. Today's market demands precise sizing, a low carbon footprint, and endless options. That's exactly why our entire cylindrical lineup is built around customization. With adaptable cell structures, we deliver the perfect power solution no matter what your scenario is. CBAK Energy, powering sustainable living with electricity.